Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. In this video, I have a pretty cool one for you guys. I'm unboxing the Yeezy 350 Boost version 2. These are the triple white or cream, as some people call them. This is what I got. This is the 10.5, so hopefully it'll fit. I've never had Yeezys before, so we shall see. I gotta figure out, okay, that's pretty easy. So this is how it opens. Yeah, so this is a really quick video. I got somewhere to be, so I gotta film this real quick, but I was waiting for the UPS guy to drop this off. Said it needed a signature, but he just dropped it off and left. He was on the phone though, so maybe he messed up. I don't know. Whatever. I'm gonna try to keep this box in decent shape, so here we go. Oh man, look at that. Whew, that looks sick. All right, so the camera's not doing it justice. The auto white balance is not good. Let me put something white in here so it'll balance. I don't know. These things look so nice. Holy crap. That sole. Wow, I know I can't get the whole thing in the frame, but all right, let's unbox the other one here. And let's put this off to the side. Damn, these look sick. So if you guys were looking for these, I actually think you can still cop them in some sizes on Adidas or Yeezy Supply. I got these through Yeezy Supply personally. Let's do a smell test. Smells like fresh shoe. But yeah, if you guys are looking to cop some of these, I highly recommend Yeezy Supply. It worked out great for me. I know some people have had bad experiences. And it does say no returns, no refunds, no anything. So hopefully these things fit. Can't wait to try them on. There's what the inside looks like. Again, I copped these for 220 bucks, free shipping, no tax, which is nice. So yeah, check them out, guys. I believe Adidas is actually releasing a few more of the different colorways. I just thought this white one was just really classy and can wear it with a bunch of stuff. I'll probably wear this tonight. Hopefully I won't get them too dirty, but I do plan to do a review on these at some point, just to kind of go over them, because these are the most expensive pair of shoes I've ever bought in my life. I think my most expensive one was a pair of Nike running shoes, which I wear pretty often, but on a day-to-day basis, I just wear Vans. So that's just kind of how I roll. But these are going to upgrade my style. So I'm definitely looking forward to wearing these and trying them out for you guys. And these things are so crazy. They actually put the SPLY and all that numbering. It's stitched here. You just can't see it because they put it in the same color of white. They just went into so much detail on these things. Very happy with the purchase so far, but can't wait to actually try them on, make sure they fit, make sure everything's good with them. But so far, looking great. That's all I got for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit with a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.